Welcome to the University of Texas at San Antonio. In this video, we'll introduce you to a few American norms that'll help you adjust to university life. We'll talk a little bit about both academic norms and social norms. Let's talk about the academic norms first. It is important that you know that participation is needed and sometimes mandatory in classes. Some teachers may call on you for your opinion or ask you to answer a question. Arriving to class late and leaving early can be a real big thing for professors. If you come in late, it shouldn't be more than 5 to 10 minutes after class starts. If you have other obligations and you need to leave early, you should notify your professors via email or before class.
As we can see, the classroom is a dynamic and interesting place, and some things that you need to know. One is that when a professor says that you should do something, that usually means you better do it, because it's not just a suggestion, it's actually a specific request. Also, when a professor asks you a question, it's important that you jump in and participate with an answer, or part of an answer at least, to show that you're involved. Lastly, it's important for you to really look at that syllabus. That syllabus is written there specifically for you and lets you know about the professor's office hours, where the office is located, also the basic essential requirements of the class.
Cheating and plagiarism are not tolerated at the university. You can read more about these rules in the Student Code of Conduct in Section 203 on the UTSA website. If you are caught violating these rules, you could be expelled from the university. Now, we're going to talk about a few social norms. Arrival to informal events isn't as crucial as arrival to class or professional events. Let's use an example. If a party starts at 7 p.m., arriving early would be 7 p.m. Arriving on time would be between 7:45 and 8:45 p.m., and arriving late would be any time after 9 p.m. Americans have a variety of ways of greeting each other. Some greetings are different between men and women. As a general rule, when you meet someone for the first time, it's best to just shake hands.
Joining a student organization such as Voices, the Student Government Association, or really any registered group on campus will allow you to not only hone that skill, but really immerse yourself in what it means to be a UTSA Roadrunner.
And if you're interested in getting involved in community service on campus and in the San Antonio community, you can always come to the Volunteer Services/Voices office located on the Paseo. We can help you network, and also it'll help you develop relationships in the community.
In this scene, students are asked to raise their hand when they feel the person is too close to them and invading their personal space. Arm distance is usually the norm to avoiding invading someone's personal space. Americans can be obsessed with cleanliness. These are some of the personal care products that they use daily. The legal drinking age in the United States is 21 years old. The only place on campus where alcohol is permitted is the Chili's 2 in the University Center. Keep in mind that you cannot purchase drinks for anyone under the legal drinking age. It is against the law. It's important to know that UTSA is now a tobacco-free campus. If you do smoke, please make sure that you do so only in designated areas. I hope this video helps you as you start your time here at UTSA. If you have any questions, feel free to ask anybody over in the International Programs office. Once again, welcome to UTSA, and go Runners!